Well, everyone, I am back home. There is so much to talk about, and it is good to be home. But first, who else loves ketchup on their macaroni and cheese? I cannot be the only one. It is so good. Please comment below if you like this type of mac and cheese as well. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jana. I am 37 years old. I am a mother. I am a grandmother, but we don't say that. We say Mimi. And I'm a fur mama to my Chihuahua Queenie. And I have so much going on and I want to share that with you. So with that being said, intro, please.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Happy birthday!
You see what I did? The 1 and the 8. And there's 18 cupcakes on there.
My daughter has such a good support system. Everybody showed up this morning, including her dad, her stepmom, my Aunt Bonnie, which is her great aunt. I just love that she is loved.
You look so good. Okay.
Did you make your wish?
Yes, I did. Oh.
My daughter is decorating her kitchen in bumblebees, so that's what all the bumblebee stuff is for. Now her home is ready, but in these clip-its, her home is still being renovated. So as you can tell, this is gonna be the kitchen. The wall with the window is gonna have yellow paint. I love all her like new stuff. The farm sink is my favorite. That is so awesome. Washer dryer. This is her and her fiance's bedroom. They're gonna do red, white, and blue. This is their bathroom. Super cute. So, you know I have to put my mama touch on things. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up for her. She is fascinated with her refrigerator and I'm super excited. That drawer just pulled out and she loves that.
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, I'm gonna hide out. This is the coolest area of the trailer right now, so I'm gonna hide in here.
I've never seen that like that before.
Oh my goodness! This will be my grandson's bathroom and he loves lights, so that's awesome.
That is so cool.
The whole family's here now. That's awesome. And this is my grandson's bedroom. This is the living room. That is my son-in-law and his mother, his dad, and one of his brothers. I just love that we all came together to do this for them. Now we've moved everything into my grandson's room just for now until this mess is cleaned up. But my heart is happy. Okay, I'm home for the night. It is time for shower. I literally ripped my pants today working. I've had these jeans for 6 years. They're my favorite pair of jeans. Wow.
What is his eyes?
So guess what, everyone? Today is the day. Well, actually it was yesterday, but they are moved in, they're unpacking, and I want to show you the finished results of my daughter and her fiance's home. I'm such a proud parent. This is a proud parent moment. So let's go take a peek. Mama, please leave me alone.
He's so mad at me. I don't care. Do it again. I don't care. I don't care.
He's tired
You
already.
mean? You mean? I don't care.
It's almost time for bedtime.
All right.
He said he wants his Mimi. Oh yeah, and it's so cold in his room.
His room, yeah, I know. But his room is too dark. It needs more. Appreciate it. You really appreciate your daddy.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, he really likes his caddy.
Oh,
It's the
his
only
caterpillar.
stuffed animal he likes, yeah.
His caterpillar. Let me give it to him.
That's all he loves is his caddy.
Chicka-choo. Chicka-choo.
He loves it.
Choo-choo. Kitty.
That's
Kitty.
That's fun about that baby.
Oh.
Yes, Olivia.
So it says when we go through trauma, our brain tries to protect us. And so a lot of the memories, the old memories, we don't remember. For quite some time, I do remember some from my childhood, not all. It kind of comes back in little bits and pieces. I remember as a child being in church and then not being in church. I remember Barbie dolls, troll dolls, and Ninja Turtles. And then I remember when my mom and dad burned them in a fire, the troll dolls and the Ninja Turtles, because it wasn't of God. I remember vacations, but I don't remember conversations. It was almost like my childhood, we were going through the motions to be that happy American family, but there wasn't a lot of happiness. So you see, just to really cut into this video, y'all, I have recorded this video in snippets, so it's different days. But my personality is all over the place. That's just how I work. I'll cut you off in conversation, not to be rude, but because I have something important to say and I don't want to forget it, and I'm really good at that. So, welcome to my brain and my videos. But I just wanted to say that. It's all over the place, but it's my life, and it's me simply being me. So that's it, y'all. That's the video of the week. If you like what you see, again, I'm just really simply being me. My YouTube title says, so there's gonna be a lot of videos of just what I like, which is, let me see if I can put you down a little bit, which is simple living with peace in my heart, with joy, with understanding, helping others, and just trying to make the best of it. But here comes the car, so I gotta go.